Hello, my name is John Barret. I'm with Online Trading Academy Mumbai. I'm here in Mumbai teaching classes for Online Trading Academy. Today I'm going to speak on a subject about trading. The topic that I'll be speaking about first is why traders, the main reason that traders lose money when they trade. What I've noticed in my career over a long period of time that there are a few primary reasons that traders lose their money when they start trading. The topic that I'm going to cover today is the primary reason, the number one reason that traders lose their entire account, lose part of their account, or lose major capital, and that is holding on to losing trades. So there's a lot of reasons that people hold on to losing trades. A couple of things that I'll address. One of the main reasons that people hold on to losing trades is they hate to take a loser. They can't stand to take a losing trade. Another reason that they hold on to losing trades is they don't want to be wrong. And another primary reason that they hold on to losing trades is that they like the company a great deal, and they think that they get confused between their trading and their investment mentality and their investment motives. One of the main reasons that people hold on to losing trades is they don't want to book the loss. So they think if I don't book the loss, then I don't have a loss. But the true reality to a trader is, or to anyone actually, when you think about it, your account is losing value. Your account has lost value. If you had a trade, you bought it at 250 rupees and now it's at 230 rupees, you've lost 230 rupees. Whether you book the trade or not, the loss is still there. And if you don't believe it, look at your account balance. Your account balance decreases by that amount. But for some reason, traders think that because I haven't booked it, I haven't lost any money. Now that leads to a lot of problems. Some of those we'll discuss in these videos, and possibly some I often address with my classes. But one of the big symptoms that causes from that is that people will want to accumulate more losing trades. In other words, they'll want to add to a losing trade because if I haven't lost any money, why not get some more? And so it leads to all kinds of problems. What ends up happening to people who hold on to losing trades is they end up accumulating a number of them. So they'll get another trade. They don't want to book the loss, and pretty soon they have a portfolio of losing trades. Very often they'll have a number of losing trades, and it's just a matter of time until the market has a big correction, and then they'll make their money back, or possibly make their money back. That's actually one of the worst things that can happen to someone who's holding on to these type of trades. You'd say, well, that doesn't sound like such a bad outcome because I make my money back. Well, it is a bad outcome because what they do then, the market will train them to trade badly and they'll repeat the same action again. But what we do know about the market, and you can, if you've studied the market very long, or if you start studying the market, you can look at historical past, is that the market always has big corrections. Over time, it's inevitable that it'll have big corrections. So if a trader's holding on to losing trades, or a large number of losing trades, even sometimes just a few, when the big market correction does come, that's when counts are devastated, when the losses accumulate. And often can mean the end of trading for someone because of the amount of loss that's accumulated there. So we know those will occur. So there's ways we can protect ourselves from having this happen. One is we have to commit ourselves to the attitude that a loss is a loss. Whether I book the trade or not, it's the same amount of loss. If I go ahead and book the trade, I could move on to another trade. And that's another thing that a losing trade is a cost to us. The cost is that it takes away our ability to make money in the market. We have to look at the market as opportunity, and that trade will take that opportunity away from us. And we can't afford to let anything take that opportunity away. So what we need to do then is learn to be able to cut those losses and not be holding on to losing trades. So while it seems logical to hold on to a trade, and it seems logical that if I don't book it, it's not a loser, reality is it is a loss, and you have to commit yourself to understand that and to understand that process and understand that when you have a loss, it's a loss, and to go ahead and book the loss and move on. So to keep that opportunity. So let me finish up this small topic by saying just a few things. We need to start to to develop an understanding about what a loss really is, deal with reality as a trader. It's very important for us as a trader to deal with the reality of the situation, never put off these decisions, never change your time frame in a trade where you go from a short-term trade to a long-term trade or move this to be an investment. You need to start to understand that a loss is a loss whether you book it or not, and deal with the reality of the situation. Then you can move on and have a potential to be a successful trader. This single thing is the biggest reason that traders lose money. You may have found yourself thinking this way or acting this way, and you will not be able to take money out of the market on a regular basis until you get rid of that kind of mentality that causes you to hold on to losing trades. So thank you very much for watching. My name is John Barret. I'm here in Mumbai. Please visit our website, onlinetradingacademy.com/Mumbai. We have classes here in Mumbai, and we welcome you to come and take our classes. And thank you very much.